Wondering how to travel on a budget? While vacations are seem exclusive to people with extra surplus cash, with right hack anyone can go for a vacation without burning a hole in your pocket. In today's video, we'll look at tips and strategies which you can follow to go on a vacation without spending a lot of money on tours and other travel expenses. Start planning for your travel early so that it's easier in every way. If this is your first big trip, odds are that you have already started planning. That's a real good thing. The sooner you start, the more time you have to save money. Travel prices rise and fall with demand, and the cycle fluctuates as your travel dates get closer. Beginning your planning earlier gives you the best chance for finding discounted hotel rooms, cheap flights, and other less expensive activities. Although you won't find the cheapest prices far out in advance since it's a demand-supply cycle, keeping an eye on the rates will allow you to jump on them and book them when they drop. Book the tickets at the right time when the prices are not really high. The time you book and when you travel can make a huge difference in the price of your vacation cost. And this applies to your flight and hotels. One of the easiest to use is the price tracking tool available via Google Flights. It lets you know the fare you're looking at purchasing compares with its past pricing. Google Flights also let you know if the rates are high or low compared with the average cost for the same flight. If the flight you're considering does appear to be expensive, Google Flights also features a price tracker alert system that will email you when the prices drop. You can toggle this feature on within the search bar. Skip the overpriced tours offered at your travel destinations. There is nothing like getting out into a new city to explore. With the information available free online, it's simple and easy to conduct your own tour for free rather than paying for a guide. If this doesn't sound appealing to you, consider instead one of the main free tours that many cities offer. These walking tours will give you tons of information about the area completely free of charge, though the tips and other gratitudes are welcomed. Otherwise, apps such as TripAdvisor offer comprehensive information for many large cities. Often this is free, but sometimes you'll need to pay a nominal fee. Use your reward points and credit cards to save on travel. One of our favorite ways to save money including redeeming reward points for travel with travel credit card. Some of your biggest expenses such as hotels and flights can be wiped away using rewards points during your trip. This type of travel takes planning. You will need to accrue enough points to make a travel redemption with the cards. Much of the time, this is accomplished through welcome bonuses earned when you open a travel credit card. The same can be said of hotel credit cards. The most major hotel chains have their co-branded credit cards including Hilton, Marriott, Hyatt, Choice, etc. These credit cards and their sign-up bonuses can go a long way towards cutting costs on your vacation. Even better, many of these credit cards offer complimentary Allied status. Allied status with credit cards can grant you perks such as free breakfast, room upgrades, free Wi-Fi, and late checkout. It's always a good idea to consider booking hotel rooms using points, especially for budget family travel. Sometimes hotels charge more for additional people in your room, but this cost won't translate to reward redemptions. You'll generally need to pay the same standard price as long as you can all safely occupy the room. Plan your travel in the off-season. Along with using your reward points, taking your trip during the off-season is another excellent way to save money. Each travel destination has a peak period of demand during which the prices will be inflated. This will include flights, hotels, tours, and even dining. Making traveling on a budget will be difficult during this time. For example, in Europe, the high season is in the summer when most people come to visit. During this period, the flights will be at their most expensive prices. Use public transportation whenever possible. Using public transportation during your trip can save you a lot of money. Using public transportation is always cheaper than having a taxi or taking a Uber ride around the city or your destination. If you have a rental car to do a road trip, you can make use of the unoccupied seats by carrying some of the people headed in the direction of travel. By carpooling, you can get a bit of money to help you buy some gas for the trip rather than going back into your pocket. Purchase the travel insurance. This is one of the crucial tips to travel on a budget. Travel insurance may seem like an additional expense. However, it's best to view it as an investment that can help you save money during your emergency situation during your trip. Because during the trip or before the trip, there is always a chance that something unfortunate can happen. For example, the trip can get cancelled, your baggage can get lost during the trip, or God forbid, you can get ill during the trip. Travel insurance can take care of all this and ensure that the wonderful experience is not cut short by such things. Choose hostel or apartment over hotels. Because hotels can be quite expensive, and getting hotels offering discounts, especially during peak season, can be a huge challenge. Therefore, if you are traveling on a budget, avoid hotels as much as possible. Choosing a hostel or an apartment is a cheaper alternative to hotels. Try to eat local food. Many people like traveling so that they can experience the new cuisines. However, it's not easy to eat on a budget while on a trip to a new place. The secret to saving money while still getting to have the experience of different cuisines is eating local food. Get a local SIM card. The last of our tips to travel on a budget is getting a local SIM card. A local SIM card enables you to purchase local price data and voice packages and stay connected while traveling abroad. Using a local SIM is much cheaper than data roaming, buying Wi-Fi abroad, or using an international SIM card. Subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our videos on personal finance and you get notified. Thank you for watching. See you next time.